Hey guys, so we're going to the famous castle that they have here in the Bavarian Alps. I'll put up the name right here because I cannot pronounce that name. And I just wanted to tell you that you guys can either hike up. That's what we decided to do. It's free and we wanted to do the workout. So that's why I sound a little out of breath. Or you can also go by carriage. I think it's like €4 to go up and €2 to go back down. As you come up, you can stop up here, get beautiful pictures or video footage. It's very pretty. Here's the castle. And this is like another little rest stop with bathrooms and snacks and souvenirs and drinks. To come inside this castle is €30.
So yes, if you bought a ticket yourself, you'll get jump in the queue, right? I'm going to buy the tickets for you.
Yeah. It's a beautiful view from up here.
Jump in. Especially with this.
She couldn't have gotten the ticket, right? No. She's got to be around.
Where is she? You guys? Hey, John. Yeah. Joe, sorry, man. You guys, anyone here with me? Just kind of come over here.
Okay.
Exactly, and I can drink that anyway.
This is the beautiful castle in Germany. It's actually one of the most visited castle in the world, and it inspired the Disney movie Sleeping Beauty. And I can see why, because it's extraordinary. This castle is simply beautiful. And it has a beautiful scenery all around. Beautiful panoramic views. So if you guys are ever in Germany, come here because it's totally worth it. To come here, I mean, if you fly to Berlin, that's a little too far. But the closest place to the nearest airport is actually Munich. So if you guys want to come specifically to this castle and to see the beautiful village of Fussen, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I'll write it right here so that way you guys can see the right name, Fussen. This is actually in Fussen. So Fussen is only like an hour and 40 minutes from Munich, and Munich is a beautiful big city to go to. So I highly recommend that you guys come to Germany, fly to Munich, and you guys can drive up here, or take a taxi up here. I really think it's worth it coming up here to see this castle, maybe spending one night, because the scenery is just, it's stunning. It's beautiful.